To remove apps from never sleeping apps list in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra, open settings, select the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find battery and device care, and then tap battery and device care. Select battery, and then tap background usage limits, and then select never sleeping apps, tap never sleeping apps more icon or three dot icon, and then tap edit apps. Select app you want to remove from never sleeping app list, for example and then tap remove if you sure. Now apps will always remove from never sleeping app list. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.